Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'll be showing you how I make stewed black beans, which of course are vegan and Dominican style. These beans definitely slap, and the approximate measurements are in the description box below. The first step is to heat up a pot and add a little bit of olive oil to it and let that warm up. Then add some sofrito. Once the sofrito has sauteed for a minute or two, I add some dried oregano, tomato paste, garlic powder. You can definitely use fresh garlic, but I just didn't feel like it. That would probably taste better, but whatever. Cumin. Then I add 1 pound of black beans, which I have pre-cooked. Add some veggie chicken base. A little bit of paprika. Some olives. Trader Joe's vegan chickenless seasoning. While the beans were cooking further, I realized that I had some more tomato paste. I thought I didn't, so I go get some of that. And I just want to note that the final amount is actually reflected in the description box measurements. Salt to taste. And once I taste the beans and they taste good and they're fully cooked, I add a little bit of fresh cilantro and just leave it in there until it wilts, about a minute or two, and then the beans are done. At this point, I've removed the cilantro from the beans and I'm serving them, and you can see how rich and delicious they look. These beans slap. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.